Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you what to do if you have forgotten your lock screen password on NUBIA Neo 3. Let's begin! So, as you can see, I can try to unlock my device, but unfortunately I have forgotten my password. What can I possibly do? And unfortunately there is only one thing I can do, and it is to perform a factory reset. Why? Well, technically I could say that, hey, maybe you can press and hold the power button, then go into restart and maybe it will get fixed. But let's be honest here, the lock screen part is usually the best designed part of any kind of smartphone, and NUBIA Neo 3 is no difference. So the only way that you can actually bypass this and gain access to your phone and you can start using it again is to perform a factory reset. But before I will actually show you, I know that you probably know this already, but just if you didn't, the factory reset will remove your password. Yes, that is correct, but it will also remove every single image from the device, every single video, application, message, music, data, everything will be gone. So just be careful, and maybe before performing a factory reset, just try to guess one more time. Anyway, let's begin. We want to turn off our device, and we can do that by pressing and holding the power button and going into power off twice. Now, the moment we hear a little vibration, this would mean that our NUBIA is now completely powered off, which is good, because now all you want to do is just start pressing and holding the power button with volume up button like this. And you want to keep pressing it for about 5 seconds. If you see the NUBIA logo, you want to keep pressing until you will see this, our Android recovery mode. You want to navigate downwards into wipe data / factory reset like this, and then you want to just confirm with power button. Now you want to go down, go into factory data reset, and before we click, you have this nice little warning that you may be required to connect to network via SIM or Wi-Fi and log in into Google account before using the device. Thanks. And if you're wondering why this is the thing, well, just it's anti-bulgari, I guess. Like, you can't have a thief steal a phone from you and then this thief will just perform a factory reset and like have a freshly new phone. That would be pretty stupid. So let's just go and press factory data reset, and as you can see, data wipe is complete. Though error, recovery not found, SD card volume info in recovery. And that's completely fine. I think this shows up every time you have no SIM card available, and because I don't have a SIM card, I can just go into reboot system now. And a little warning that the part where it actually reboots can be a little bit slower than usual, because you're basically going to log in into the setup mode of your device when you will just set up everything. Thank you for epic animation, NUBIA. When you're basically going to stop every single thing by yourself, and be yourself, by the way. Nice, that was a cool reference to the catchphrase of the phone. And I will just pause the recording and I will tell you how long have I waited for this. Okay, so I have waited about like 10 more seconds after pausing the video, and you can see that you can't actually see anything on the camera. So I will try to change one more thing. And it is exposure, because as you can see we have no access to brightness levels and the whole screen is just really bright, but I have lowered the exposure so everything is darker, but you can at least see what's on the screen. And you can see that at least I am starting into the Polish language. If you want, you can click the icon, the button with the globe icon in order to change language. So I'm going to go back to English, and of course we can choose English, and I'm going to go with United Kingdom. And now we can go into start, and you can start setting up our phone just like we would if we have just bought it recently. However, I'm going to end the video right here, but at last one more thing. Make sure that you watch our skip, I always forget the name. We have a tutorial on our channel about skipping the verification part on the setup, and usually it will happen if you have performed the factory reset with lock screen on. And this is also another anti-bulgari setting here, though it can be bypassed, and you can always see how it can be bypassed on the tutorial I'm going to mention. Well, I actually mentioned just now. Anyway, with that, we have successfully removed our lock screen password. You can just continue with setup, and yeah, you should have an access to your phone once again. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.